Welcome to Which One is Different? Brought to you by Seeds of Communication. Contestants, you will have 15 seconds to select your answer. For each correct answer, you will receive one ingredient to build a delicious ice cream sundae. Let's play! Which one is different? Correct. An airplane does not drive on the road. Congratulations! You just earned the first ingredient, brownies. Let's get back to the game. Which one is different? Correct. A bathing suit is not worn in the winter. Great job! You now have the cookies. Next challenge. Which one is different? Good choice. A zebra is not an ocean animal. It's looking pretty tasty. You just added 3 scoops of ice cream. Let's go to the next board. Which one is different? A hammer is not a writing utensil. Contestant 1, you just earned your next ingredient. Congratulations. Which one is different? Ladies and gentlemen, a cat is not an insect. And now, it's time for the bonus round. Which one is different? You got it! The cup is not red. Bravo! Your ice cream sundae is complete. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Join us again for the next round of Which One is Different? And in the meantime, like, share, and subscribe for more.